to show you the 2017 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today. Hyundai Certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a 10-year, 100,000-mile Powertrain Limited Warranty, a comprehensive 150-point inspection, 10 years of roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.